Friends, I'm Hemangini Vora. Today I'll be preparing instant pastry by bread, and for this you just need the chocolate spread or the syrup. I have made it at home. I will share the recipe, and little sugar syrup to just moisten the cake. That is our bread. So right now I've just taken three pieces. You can take four or five as per the height, and you can also cut the edges, but I like this brown edges to be there. And you can also cut it into triangle by making it half pieces. Will give the pastry shape itself. So let's start. First we just need to dip the syrup and let the cake get moist. Little moist. You can also add milk if you want a creamy flavor. And just I have also added less sugar. I don't want much sweet because sugar already I have added in my chocolate syrup. Moistening the bread little bit with the sugar syrup. Okay, and you can since I'm using the sides, you can moisten that also with the syrup, so it will be softer. Now one by one I'll start spreading my yummy, velvety, shiny, homemade chocolate without using cream. I've just used ghee and sugar, little milk. See, so I will just spread it over. On each cake, in each bread piece. How beautifully like jam only it is. So I'll just put the layers, another layer. Look at this. Okay. So on this I'll put third layer. I'll just do it and show it to you. So friends, this is how I have covered all the layers with the chocolate syrup. I've kept one just to show you. See, just spread it like this. So here is my instant chocolate cake. This is my chocolate pastry. I have covered all. Chocolate cake which was instantly made with bread and homemade chocolate spread. Made only 3 layers. You can make 4. See this, and it is very yummy. There to the bread, so the bread won't move with the cream. I've used cashews for decoration. I've made it as eyebrows and small nose with keeping it upward direction and the smiling face. So here is my smiling cake ready. So here is my chocolate cake ready without oven, without microwave. I've tried to make it as healthy as possible. As I've used a brown bread, I've used brown sugar and more of the cocoa powder and less sugar, and everything is homemade. I'll share the recipe for the chocolate spread soon. If you want it, you can write it in the comment section. I thought of using almonds too to make eyes, because almond is nothing but the shape of eyes, and so I will be adding almonds as eyes, and cashews will be used as eyes, bridges, eyebrows. And see, my yummy chocolate cake is ready without much efforts. You can enjoy this on the friendship day or any special day instantly if you have bread and chocolate spread. Soon I'll share you the recipe. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. So here is my instant healthy chocolate pastry ready. Thank you.